Ever open up your phone just to scroll for a minute and somehow an hour disappears, or maybe your desktop looks like a digital junkyard? Yeah, same here. We're living in a world of digital noise, notifications, endless emails, cluttered desktops, and too many apps we never use. So, how do we fix this? First, we need to understand what digital clutter is. Digital clutter is anything in your digital life that doesn't serve you. It's files you forget about, apps you never open, or notifications that pull your focus away. It's just like physical clutter, except it's harder to see and easier to ignore. So, why does digital decluttering matter? Well, studies even show that clutter, physical or digital, can increase cortisol, the stress hormone. So, when your digital life is cluttered, you're more distracted, less productive, and your brain is always low key stressed out. Decluttering clears the noise so you can focus on what matters to you. Now, here's a step by step guide on how to declutter your digital clutter. Step one, start with your desktop and downloads folder. Delete what you don't need. Then create 2 to 3 folders max, unless you're like me and need multiple folders that you go into on a regular basis. For instance, I have a UGC folder, which is my content I have for different clients I work with as my side gig. Then I have my photography side gig, and then I have a YouTube folder. And lastly, I have a film folder. And it really depends on your needs, but try combining as many folders as possible and don't let anything sit outside of a folder. Okay, step two, tame the email beast. Unsubscribe from newsletters you never read, use labels and filters, or go nuclear. Archive everything older than a month and start fresh. When I looked at my inbox, I had no idea I had 9,000 emails in my inbox because my laptop email app wasn't syncing with my Gmail. So those emails that I thought I was deleting were not deleted. So that took me a few hours to go through. Step three, organize your cloud storage. Google Drive, iCloud, Dropbox, whatever you use. Set up folders and back up important stuff. Delete duplicates. You don't need 17 versions of the same selfie. Step four, delete apps you haven't used in the last 3 months and turn off notifications for anything that doesn't need your immediate attention. Step five, unfollow accounts that don't inspire or educate you. Clean up your feed. Remember, you control what you consume. Okay, now that we've decluttered, here are tips to stay decluttered. Try this weekly digital resets list every Sunday. Take 15 minutes to go over the checklist to start your week off clutter-free. Clean desktop, empty downloads, delete 10 emails, review cloud files, check notifications. In conclusion, when you declutter your digital life, you declutter your mind. I know it sounds ridiculously corny, but you're going to feel calmer, clearer, and way more in control. Try this at home and drop a comment on how you're feeling after the digital declutter. I know I feel a whole lot better. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on how to live more intentionally. See you guys later, and good luck.